Hanji, this is Neeraj Sharma for you. From the past 15 to 20 days, especially after the judgment by the Honorable Supreme Court has come, as regards the 3-year practice route before which you can appear for the judicial examinations, I've been listening to, I've been receiving many questions. There has been a how factor, sir, that how, what to do now, ab kya hoga. So I would say to you that yes, no doubt some rules have changed, no doubt circumstances have changed, no doubt some perceptions would also be changing now. But what to do now? क्या इसका आंसर है? इस क्वेश्चन का क्या आंसर है? इस बात का क्या जवाब है? तो मैं आपको बोलना चाहूँगा वही जवाब है. It is the same answer that I have been given to you, and the answer is still we would be becoming judges. If the rules are changed, अगर रूल्स बदल जाते हैं तो क्या जो खिलाड़ी आदमी है, the players, do they leave the game? Not at all. We are there in the game, we would be in the game, and definitely will be going to coming out as winners of the game. तो बेटा क्यों टेंशन लेते हो? परेशानी है कि हो अब क्या करेंगे? तो करेंगे वही कि जज बनेंगे, बट कैसे करेंगे? आई विल बी टेलिंग यू. प्लीज अलाउ मी टू टेल यू. So what I'm saying is, what we would be doing after this 3-year rule, again the same thing will be becoming judges, but how? Leave it to Neeraj Sharma as to how to do it. Please be in touch with me. मेरे संपर्क में आइए. I'll be telling you how to do, what not to do, how to take care of the situation, and I must tell you one thing, that the rules are for all. ये सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं है बेटा. Whatever the rules have come, it is for all. It is still a level playing field for all, for every person. No doubt there would be certain perceptions, things to be changed. We would be changing that. So don't panic, don't lose the control, don't lose your heart. Please don't forget that we are and will be becoming judges. So don't worry. ठीक है? तो मैं आपसे बस यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि भूलिए मत, जज बन निकले थे और उस मंजिल पे जरूर पहुंचेंगे, जज बनेंगे, बट कैसे बनेंगे मैं आपको बताऊंगा. सो इट वॉज लवली टॉकिंग टू. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय. लव यू ऑल. बाय.